Om Jai Guru. So today we will discuss modal. Earlier in the verb chapter, I have already told what is the difference between primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. But again I am discussing what is the difference between primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary, primary and modal. So what is primary auxiliary? We have is, am, are, was, where, then do, does, did, have, has, had. So these 11 are primary auxiliaries. And why this is classified as primary auxiliaries? Because these verbs can be used as a main verb in the sentence. These verbs can be used as a main verb in the sentence, and it is also express tense. Just like ijamar is the present tense and was were is the past tense. Do does is the present tense, did is the past tense, have had is the present tense, and had is the past tense. And it has some specific form in present tense and past tense that we know. And again it has some form. When we use be verb, the verb becomes ing. When we use do, does, did, it is only used in present simple and past simple. Then when we use have and has, the verb becomes a past participle verb. But in modal there is no such changes. And in modal there is no specific tense form. We all know can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, ought, must, need, there. So these are the modal auxiliaries. I am writing first shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, ought, could, must, need, dare, use. So these 13 are the modal auxiliaries. But before that we will clear that is should is not the past form of shall, and would is not the past form of will, could is not the past form of can. As we have, that's why we have separated it from auxiliary. It's called modal as it has no specific tense form. So today we will discuss the specific uses of a modal. So why it was divided, why it was categorized in another part from auxiliary, because it has some specific use. It will be used some specific meaning. That's why it is separated from auxiliary and named as a modal. So one by one we will discuss now. First of all we discuss shall and will. We all know earlier we have future tense and we use shall and will, but nowadays as per the verb form we have only two tense form and the future becomes time. In the earlier grammar section we read in future as a tense, but nowadays it is not taught as a tense. So shall and will has come to in the category of a modal. Shall and will. Shall and will. So both will be used for plain future. Both will be used for plain future. Then what is the difference? That this thing is used only for past person. This is only for past person. That is I and we. And this is for all other. This is for all other forms. All other subject, or second or third person, any other subject. So this is the use of a plain future. That means plain future रे हमें I we जदि subject अच्छी ताले हमें सेठी shall व्यवहार करिबा. जदि subject I we बाद आउ किछि अच्छी ताले से जगह हमें will व्यवहार करे. For example, I shall teach a lesson on English grammar tomorrow. So this is plain future because you have a time expression tomorrow. In tense form it has also a different use, but now we are discussing modal form. That's why I have written I shall teach a lesson on English grammar tomorrow. It's plain future. He will buy a new house day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. So this is also plain future. But here the subject is he, so we have the modal auxiliary will. But here the subject is I, we have the modal auxiliary shall. So the first point is we use plain shall or will modal in plain future, but in shall we will use shall when the subject becomes first person and will for all other persons. Then other uses of these two modal. Other uses of these two modals. We will use for willingness. Will is used for willingness. For willingness. Then another thing is request. Request. Then prediction. Prediction. And shall is used for first person, plain future, then permission, promise, promise, and another is order, offer, etc. Order, offer. So these are the different use of shall and will. First we will use shall for permission, promise, order, offer, etc. But for first person. But for first person. First person case रे आमे एई सब मॉडल गुडी को यूज करि परिबा. But these things for all other persons. Willingness, request and prediction. We will use will for all other subjects. अन्य सब सब्जेक्ट पैका एवं also first person पैका मध्य आमे एई सब मॉडल गुडी को यूज करिबा को पर्पस रे ना जेतला willingness बुझौतिबो जेतला किछ रिक्वेस्ट बुझौतिबो किछ प्रेडिक्शन बुझौतिबो ताले willingness माने कोन ना इच्छा जेतला मु इच्छा करछु किछ छोटे काम करिया पई सेतला हम जे कोनोसी पर्सन हो ता पाखरे आमे will मॉडल व्यवहार करि परिबा सेमती रिक्वेस्ट जेतला किछ will you please help me to work out the sum ए सम ता करिया मते सहायता करिवे सेठी असला रिक्वेस्ट आम से will व्यवहार करि परिबा. देन प्रेडिक्शन माने पूर्वानुमान कि छोटा प्रेडिक्ट करिबा जे आगु गोटे कोन होबा गलो मन कर जेमति कि मु कहि परिबी इट विल रेन टुडे इट्स ए प्रेडिक्शन यानी वर्षा हेई पारे न हेई पारे बट व्हेन आई यूज विल इट मींस मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बा मैक्सिमम पॉसिबिलिटी अछि इट विल रेन टुडे बट एंड आल्सो वी विल यूज विल फॉर परमिशन प्रॉमिस ऑर्डर ऑफर दिस इज फॉर एक्सेप्ट फर्स्ट पर्सन फर्स्ट पर्सन पाखरे जेतले फर्स्ट पर्सन थिबो सेतला हम शाल व्यवहार करिबा ए केस रे करे किनु जेतले पर्सन अलग आइबो सेही केस रे हम व्यवहार करिबा विल अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ शाल एंड विल. नाउ वी विल गो टू यूज ऑफ कैन एंड कुड. Can, then could. Again I am telling this is not the past form of can. Could is not the past form of can. But when it requires, it is used as the past form of can. So where we will use this is ability. Ability अर्थ में व्यवहार करिबा can. And this is for past ability. This is for past ability. Then another thing can is used for giving or seeking permission. Giving or seeking permission. So it is only used for past ability and another thing is for a polite request. पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट या पूर्व आम पढ़ले विल रिक्वेस्ट यूज हम या आम कैन भी रिक्वेस्ट यूज हो मे भी यूज हो ये आम यहाँ कौट आम पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट फर्स्ट देखा आम एबिलिटी मीन्स कौन ना दक्षता दैट मीन्स आई कैन ड्राइव ए कार दैट मीन्स आई हैव द एबिलिटी टू ड्राइव द कार आई कैन वर्क आउट दिस सम मैं सम टी को कर दैट मीन्स आई एम एबल टू दैट मीन और आई हैव द एबिलिटी ये कौन आम पास्ट एबिलिटी पास्ट एबिलिटी